And if he ain't giving you a high THC content score, you definitely ain't getting close to 420. So I'm just taking mental notes to myself. If you keeping up, you are. If you ain't, you ain't. It's homework for me, but for you, this is like, man, watching a professional do his thing. Like, well, how is he gonna put this together later on? Now that's what you had to pay attention to me doing it now for. You see what I'm saying? Because whenever I'm boop popping them across their head with this shit, they ain't even gonna know why.
Two Girl Scout cookies. Number 2 on our list is
Uh
Girl
oh,
Scout
Girl
cookies,
Scout
or
cookies,
GSC.
GSC. Shouts out to the big homie TWP. You know how we do. We got people in here with us. Shouts out to the video sponsor, Double OG from the AZ. Y'all know my homie DJ is. He been out here making them beats, keeping it beating up in this motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? They like, what is you listening to? That's only a beat. But listen to that beat. Shut the fuck up. That's how it be. Cause we be on them beats. I don't be rapping. I just be acting like I'm rapping in my head.
GSC serves as the foundation for both parents of the gelato strain. GSC is renowned for its sweet and earthy aroma, reminiscent of freshly baked cookies with subtle hints of mint and citrus. Its flavor profile is a delightful mix of sweetness, spiciness, and a mix of herbal notes.
How
In
you
terms of
doing? Good
effects,
evening.
Girl
Hopefully you're
Scout
doing
cookies
good,
is
smoking
celebrated
good.
for its potent
If
and
you don't smoke,
well-balanced
you know what
high.
I mean.
This hybrid strain,
Keep
cross
them
between
YouTube
Durham
shit
Poison
smoking.
and OG Kush, boasts unique properties. Users often describe the experience as a blend of euphoria, relaxation, and an uplifted mood featuring a cerebral buzz paired with a calming body high. Its THC content ranges between 18 and 24%, but it provides a strong and enduring high that is suitable for all users. GSC scores a 95 for its beautiful appearance and
Oh,
homely
he said he
aroma.
trying to slap out the
GSC is
space with two
widely available,
ladies.
and its iconic lineage earns it a
Okay,
score
I'll
of
be over
90.
there to
It
pull
is
up that
highly
too.
effective with a score of 90, and its THC levels give it an extra
We'll throw a
85
party at
points.
Piff
For
Place.
dankness
Check out
points,
that update.
GSC comes out with 15 points, giving it a total of 375. GSC is a
375.
must try
See,
if you
ain't
enjoy
nothing hitting
great tasting
420.
kush.
Maybe number
1.
one. He getting
Headband.
close. Ah,
Number 1 on our
headband.
list is the one and only Headband. Headband is a mixture of two of the best, Sour Diesel and OG Kush, two parents that have comfortably made it into our top 10 list.
No wonder why it hit number one, because two of the other ones are mixed in it. Yeah, I mean, touche headband. Let's hear more about it. Apparently, because headband might have to be put in rotation. Hey, anybody got some headband out there? I know where to get one from, because that one guy talks about it all the goddamn time. But we ain't dropping names over here unless they part of the chat.
Headband has reached its own legendary status as a perfectly balanced hybrid strain. Its genetic lineage contributes to its consistent quality and distinctive characteristics. It comes in dense resinous buds that are green and purple with small type calyxes, orange hairs, and a ton of resin. Grinding up
Hold on,
Headband
let me
gives
see something. Okay, so that's what I thought. Never mind.
off pungent fumes of gas, citrus, and skunk. The taste profile is robust, featuring a blend of sharp diesel and hints of lemon sweetness, creating a flavorful and memorable smoking experience. With THC levels ranging from 20 to 27%, Headband promises everything you could want from an all-day
If you
high.
want
It
anything
provides
good,
a
you gotta
ton
go
of
through
body
Cali.
relief and an all-over buzz without weighing you down. It makes you
Everybody
feel
else
and
went
chill
there,
without
so
numbing
you
your
already
mind.
know.
The strain earns its
What do you
name
say?
because
I'm
you
on a
might
trip
notice a
through the Mecca,
sensation
man.
around your
Cali
noggin
smoke.
like you're wearing a headband. It's a great daily driver, although
Be
it
looking
can
like a
make you
tree, like a
easily
Mendo
coerced
dope.
into distractions as your IDGAF meter goes up the more you smoke. Finishing at the top of our list, Headband scores 100 in every category and hits 20 on our dankness scale. Headband is
God damn it! See, you forgot to pause. I was gonna pause before we got here because I didn't know it was gonna hit. But what did I say? To hit a perfect 420, you're gonna have to have high THC levels. If your THC levels ain't fucking going good, it ain't gonna be a good story. But I don't even remember what he said headband was. It's got some definite iconic lineage because it was two strains on this actual list itself. So therefore, yeah, what would be better than this or this? These two together. Boom, headband. Which you see what I'm saying? That's an accurate, accurate, act right type of motherfucking whatever. anyway, so we just gonna continue to move forward. But hell, they got a perfect 420 on headband. I mean, let me video clip this